Hey guys, Ron Parks here and welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all good, so let's just get right into it. I want to talk about 5 incredible ways to make extra income. Since I started this channel, I've been thinking long and hard about how you might be able to add extra income stream to your earnings. Are you tired of your 9-to-5 job? Are you short of extra cash? Do you have enough money to pay your bills from end to end? Earning extra money is something that can change your life. They say that money cannot buy you happiness, but it sure can help and also give you some sense of freedom and security. Earning extra money on top of your day job can improve many areas of your life, including less stress from living paycheck to paycheck, reducing the burden of crippling debt, give you more opportunity to save for a dream vacation or a retirement you can give to others for social good. It can snowball you into more incredible wealth. The first thing is to ask yourself, what do I love to do? And can I build a business out of it? If you have a full-time job now, then adding some of these supplemental income streams is a great way to explore these opportunities. You do not have to quit your job. Just don't do it. Because having a steady stream of regular income will take the pressure off and give you time to hone your marketing skills. As this pandemic stretches on, many people are losing their jobs, and a lot of people are afraid of the fact that they might get fired. Getting a high-paying corporate job used to be on the top of the list, but we realize that working for someone else is not as guaranteed as you might have thought. Just look at the 31 million people who have lost their jobs so far in the last 6 months, with an unemployment rate now of almost 9%. So how should you start? Well, make a list of your passionate interests. You need to love what you're doing as a side hustle for it to be successful. This job is on your own time and outside your office hours if you have a day job, so it will take a lot of energy and motivation to make it stick. If you pick something you are passionate about, it will drive you to succeed. Also, I would brainstorm any side hustle ideas around your interests and your skills so you can discover the best ventures to start to see if you can turn a hobby into a business. Decide early on if you'll invest money. Side hustles shouldn't cost too much money, but they may require some investment up front for things like hosting, branding, and tools. You may decide that you want to do advertising to find your first customers. Well, whatever your growth and expansion plan is for your side hustle, you need to be aware of your spending before it happens. So plan on spending accordingly and measure your success to know whether you should continue. Let's look at 5 things you can do to make money and potentially start a new career. I am starting with number 5 and working my way to number 1. So please stick around. Okay, number 5, start a blog or a website. Now, with the rise of social media and being an influencer, it seems like blogging is everywhere. No longer limited to niche hobbies, almost everyone has a blog now in some form or another. For those of you who haven't yet jumped on the bandwagon, blogging has its many attractions, but the truth is, your level of success depends on why and what you're blogging. There are many reasons why you might wish to start a blog, and in the same vein, there are plenty of reasons why you shouldn't. If the market is saturated, why should you start a blog? Well, if you have a unique product that the market wants, your blog can be successful. The boom in blogging is yet to come with so many countries coming online like India, which is rapidly increasing internet availability and usage. And once you start your blog, you may not be earning much money, if any, from day one. Very similar to having a YouTube channel. But eventually, as you write blog posts and customize your blog, gradually, within 1 to 6 months, you should be gaining subscribers. And once a core number of subscribers come online, you can then start looking for sources of revenue through affiliate marketing, sponsorships, ad placements, and maybe even a subscription service. Blogging can help you learn so many new skills and abilities. Here are some I've picked up along the way. Designing for WordPress, writing for different audiences, SEO best practices, creating web graphics, email marketing, social media marketing, content management, and website hosting. The more you write about a subject, the more of an authority you become. And becoming an authority in your niche helps build your online brand. Building your brand is a springboard for transforming your blog into something more. Now, here are some of the reasons not to start a blog. It's really tough work. Behind the great graphics and snappy writing are a whole heap of stress, hustle, and long working days. And for a blog to thrive, expect to work more hours than a standard day job. And those hours often extend into the evenings and weekends when you typically be relaxing. Blogging is not the best path to make money fast. Blogging is not a route to making a quick buck. So don't follow the revenue, but find something you love to write about and that people want to read. And even if you do manage to make a living from your blog, things will be hard to start with. So don't quit your day job just yet. Some months you might do well, while others you'll be lucky to earn a small income or no income at all. I know many bloggers who have been doing well over the years, well enough to work full-time on their blogs. But even they hit months where their income is not what they had expected. It's challenging and it's part of the blogging life. Be prepared for these fluctuations because it's probably best that you keep blogging now as a side hustle until you build it up. Now, blogging is also lonely, so prepare yourself for a lonely ride. I've gone hours without saying a word to anyone apart from myself. And if it becomes a regular thing, the effect of loneliness is real. You start craving the human connection you had in your day job and even doubt your ability to keep going. We all should be a little more able to work alone due to the pandemic, but unless you like solitude and writing, blogging is probably not for you. Okay, number 4, start freelancing. If you have a specific business niche or are really confident that your talents will be in demand, you should think about freelancing. Programming, graphic designing, video editing, website creation, and many others. Most of you watching this video have at least one skill that you can deliver. So if you're a beginner in freelancing, there are a few web services that allow you to post your resume and get people interested in your services. Upwork or Fiverr are great sites where you can start building your profile, get clients, and start giving them value. Reviews from your clients strengthen your profile. When you create a long-term relationship with clients, then your freelance business should grow, and you will have repeat business with your current client base, and you will for sure add new clients. Okay, number 3, online education. If you have expertise in subjects like math, web design, YouTube optimization, or music, you can actually provide online classes via YouTube videos, or through your blog, or through any number of educational websites. You can sell your courses on platforms such as Udemy. These platforms pay you a share of the revenue for giving them quality content. Everything you're good at can be monetized to one degree or another. So take a pen and write down your areas of expertise and what you think people would be interested in watching. Go on to YouTube or Udemy and see what courses have a high volume of subscribers and views. This would be a really great tool for you to hone in on what you might want to provide. Okay, number 2, sell informational products and services. Selling informational products and services can earn you huge revenue because once you set up the product or services, you can automate the process and not have to reinvent the wheel. For example, if you write an ebook and it gets popular in the market, then you earn a royalty as many times as the book is read. Book translations are also big business. If you write a book or prepare a course in English and somebody in other countries wants to translate it and sell it in their own markets, then you could easily give the foreign rights and copyrights to that person and charge a pretty decent rate. The world is full of information, and with advancing science and technology, the amount of data is doubling every year. And with that kind of increase, you need to stay updated. People are willing to pay you in return for solving their problems. This industry will never go away, as everyone, one time or another, needs information to make their lives better and more successful. And now we're down to the number 1 side hustle, digital marketing. Digital marketing is the number 1 business that is in demand. Nowadays, there's a rush among people to shift to digital media. More people are watching videos on YouTube rather than watching television. Products and services and their marketing is moving swiftly from print, radio, and TV advertising to social media advertising. Social media sites like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter need people that can help companies with brand awareness and marketing. And Facebook is one of the best digital marketing side hustles because it includes creating effective ads, search engine optimization, and marketing plans for digital platforms. Facebook has a tremendous reach that small business owners could use to increase their revenue. Big companies have been doing this for a while, but many small business owners lack the resources and time it takes to run an effective ad strategy. There are many digital marketing courses, both free and paid, that can help you build your skills. So go out there and take a look. Now, I've covered 5 incredible ways to generate income. You don't have to dream small, dream big, but start small and start now. So what are you waiting for? Pick out your favorite side hustle from the list and start doing it now. And to summarize, there are different ways to get started in the gig economy. Identify what you do well and what you might enjoy doing. Create your niche. What skills, experience, or other assets do you have that you can share? And pick something that you know, that you're comfortable explaining, and something that the masses want to use. Also learn from others. Always talk to people who are already doing what you plan to do, because scoping out the market for your services will help you determine how much to charge or even whether you should pursue your plan. And you need to stand out. You are your own person, and a good personality and ability to convey information will be in high demand. Don't quit your day job yet. You'll need the comfort and assurance that you have a steady stream of income. You might have to advertise your services. Now, you can advertise these services by distributing flyers, posting on a website, or placing Google ads to get your message out. Connect through community associations or your local chamber of commerce, and build your base, because referrals and positive feedback from clients are essential. And if you build a reputation for quality work, people will seek you out for future projects. Now, overall, you need to be realistic and give it time. Deciding to take a gig approach to earn money requires patience, budgeting, and adaptability. It will take time to learn what works and what doesn't. Keep working until you find the right mix of service and expertise. I've said that many times, but it's really important that you have a fallback. And last but not least, manage your money. You'll need a backup plan, because figure out what you'll do for income if you don't get enough gig work to pay the bills. As I said 3 times, keep your current job until these other sources of revenue become routine and you'll have side jobs. And as long as your employer will allow it, go for it. Any one of these 5 side hustles is an excellent start to finding another revenue stream. Just have faith and confidence in your talents and your projects, because the world loves winners. Well, thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate it if you can smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe. I post 2 times per week on Tuesdays and Fridays, and sometimes more. And thanks again, and until next time.